All right, this is the best way to test and know the best pressure, especially when you are buying a vacuum cleaner. Okay, so you must be able to know that this thing has a high pressure. Number one, you must be able to know that, okay, this thing must pull something, because that's why they call it vacuum. You must be able to vacuum something. So I'll be testing this right now. So we are using it to test it. If you can use it this way, the pressure is very okay. If you cannot pull your scale like this, or you cannot pull your float like this, you can see, then I'll bet you with you. This one is original. We sell quality things here. You can see we sell, it's very, very affordable. We sell real things. So guys, try it out. You can use it to see. Come and use it to see. Alright guys. So just see. Okay, let me use it. I want you to put this iron. You can see. So it has a lot of pressure. So guys,